Hello everyone, back again with me. My name is Shaida Sushinawati, and here I will explain what the nature of teaching and learning is and where I learned a lot of things for someone YouTube channel. Let's go. Next slide. Okay, so in my opinion, the nature of teaching is basically when someone, the teachers, tries to help you get something into your head, but it's not just about them talking non-stop. And good teaching is more like, first they have good in you, they show you the way, not just tell you what's what. And second, they must have making it interactive. It's not a one-way street. They want you to ask questions, share your thoughts, and work with others. And third, teacher have getting you hype. A good teachers know how to make learning interesting, so you actually want to learn. And four, checking your progress. They see if you're getting it and give you feedback so you know what's up. And the last, the teacher must be flexible. They gotta switch things up if what they are doing isn't clicking with you, and creating a cool vibe, so they make a space where it's okay to try, maybe mess up a bit, and just learn. Next slide, the nature of learning. Now, learning is what you do. It's how you pick up new stuff, new skills, new ways of thinking, and this is the list it's all about. First, getting involved. You gotta actually do something, maybe like ask question, try things out and think about it. And second, connecting the dots. You link what you are learning now and with what you already know. And third, changing your game. Like you might start doing things differently or seeing things in a new light after you learn something. And next, we have learning by doing and thinking. You can learn best when you experience things and then think about it, what happened. And next, five, everyone different. We all learned at our own speed and in our own way. And the last one, it never stop. Learning isn't just for school, it's a lifelong thing. The bottom line, teaching is about helping you learn in the best way possible, but at the end of the day, you gotta be the one doing the actual learning. So they go hand in hand, like your favorite snack and drink. They are better together. Okay, next slide. Here's one influencer that I love. Not only is she good at singing, but she's also very smart, Maudy Ayunda. And I learned many things from her YouTube channel. In her channel, such as this last video that I watched, and also my favorite video of Modi and her husband. In the video, the couple discusses tips for writing essays based on their personal experiences, and they both speak in English with Indonesian subtitles, her mother tongue of his wife, Maudy Ayunda. And not only do I gain knowledge or simple tips from their experiences, but I also enjoy and learn how they enjoy and pronounce English in the video. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Maudy Ayunda YouTube channel is more than just a celebrity social media presence, but in my opinion, it is a dynamic learning platform that we can embodies many contemporary educational principles. Like from the nature of teaching and learning perspective, her channel offers a unique blend of storytelling, interactive engagement, bilingual communication, and experiential learning. And this makes her channel a fascinating case study for how informal digital space can become powerful educational environment. There are many things that I can apply in Maudy Ayunda YouTube channel. Maybe like the knowledge I get will affect the process of one day becoming a teacher or educator. First we have storytelling as a core teaching method. One of the most prominent features of Maudy's Ayunda channel is her use of storytelling. She shares personal experiences, challenges, and reflection in a way that invites viewers to connect emotionally and intellectually. I think storytelling is a timeless teaching method because it contextualizes abstract ideas into real-life situations and making learning more meaningful and memorable. For example, like when Maudy Ayunda talks about her gap year or studying abroad, she doesn't just list facts, but she narrates her journey, struggles, and growth, which helps viewers internalize lessons about resilience, curiosity, and self-discovery. And second, we have collaborative and community-based learning. Maudy Ayunda actively encourages interaction with her audience, like she often invites viewers to comment, ask questions, or suggest topics for future video, and this two-way communication transforms her channel from a one-way broadcast into a vibrant learning community. And I like the concept. The concept aligns with modern educational theories like Vygotski's social constructivism, where knowledge is co-constructed through social interaction. And by fostering dialogue, Maudy Ayunda channel becomes a space where learners can share ideas, challenge assumptions, and learn from each other. And third, we have promoting critical thinking and open-mindedness. My opinion, the content Maudy produces often goes beyond surface level entertainment, but she discusses books like social issue and career development topics that encourages her audience to think critically and reflectively. So instead of spoon-feeding information, she poses questions and share multiple perspectives, inviting viewers to analyze it and form their own opinions. This approach embodies active learning principle, so which emphasize learner engagement and reflection as a key to deeper understanding. 4, we have bilingual communication and code mixing as educational tools. Maudy Ayunda frequently uses a mix of Indonesia and English in her videos, a practice known as code mixing It is not just a stylistic choice, but an educational strategy that reflects the bilingual realities of many young Indonesians. Code mixing helps make content accessible and relatable viewers to English language usage in natural context, and linguistic research identified types of code mixing such as insertion, alternation, or an conjunctionalization, all of which Modi employs skillfully. And this bilingual approach supports language learning and cognitive flexibility and changes viewers' communicative competence. And last, we have experiential learning through personal and vicarious experiences. Much of Modi content is grounded in experiential learning theory, which posits that knowledge is best acquired through experience and reflection. So she shares her own life stories, whether about academic challenges, career decision, or personal growth, and also brings in guests who share their journeys. And this method allows viewers to learn not only from Modi direct experiences, but also from the diverse perspective of others. Like it encourages learners to reflect on their own lives and apply insight in practical ways. Okay, next slide. Why is Modi Ayunda channel a modern learning space? First, reliable and engaging. I think Modi's informal, friendly style makes learning feel accessible and enjoyable. And second, I think interactive. The channel invites active participation, fostering a sense of belonging and community. And third, bilingual. Mixing Indonesian and English broadens the audience and supports language development. And fourth, we have critical and reflective. The content encourages questioning and deeper thinking. And five, experiential learning is connected to real life stories and practical insight. And my conclusion, Modi Ayunda YouTube channel exemplifies how digital platform can transcend entertainment to become rich in educational space through storytelling, community engagement, bilingual communication, and experiential learning. Her channel aligns closely with contemporary theories about the nature of teaching and learning. For young learners today, it offers an inspiring model of how informal learning environment can be both fun and deeply meaningful. Okay, that's all from me. I hope my explanation can be understood. And thank you for everyone listening, and see you later. Bye bye.